Ladies and gentlemen, let's delve into the fascinating world of AMC stock and the dynamic realm of the stock market. Today was nothing short of intriguing, and brace yourselves because this week promises a roller coaster ride as some of the giants in the financial arena reveal their earnings. It's worth noting that Bill Ackman, one of the world's most influential billionaires, recently made waves with his bold portfolio moves. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. AMC, the darling of meme stock enthusiasts, had yet another day of remarkable volatility. Intraday, it experienced a movement of over 5%, oscillating from its highest to lowest points. However, what's even more remarkable is that the movement from the lowest to the highest point was more significant, an astonishing 7.87%. The streak of AMC's daily fluctuations above 5% continues, though whether that's a positive or negative record remains up for debate. By the closing bell, AMC's stock rested at $9.16, after reaching a peak of $9.60. Notably, it concluded the day in a manner reminiscent of the previous Friday, with a late-day sell-off. AMC wasn't the sole protagonist in this gripping narrative. The entire stock market had its fair share of turbulence. It embarked on a tumultuous journey, starting with a dip, then a resurgence, only to spiral downward towards the end of the trading day. The S&P chart resembled a yo-yo, flickering between red and green. The Dow Jones chart mirrored this pattern, oscillating between red and green zones, while the Nasdaq managed to eke out a close in the green. The Russell Index followed a similar zigzag course, making it an exceptionally captivating day for stock market enthusiasts. But that's not all. The bond market had its share of excitement, marked by mixed yields and a whipsaw pattern. Bill Ackman, the seasoned investor, disclosed a fascinating tidbit: his decision to cover his bond shorts. He cited mounting global risks and the rapidly slowing economy as the primary factors. As we await the unveiling of key economic data this week, including job reports, GDP figures, and the PC index, it's an opportune moment to ponder how these revelations will impact the stock market. Zooming out for a broader perspective, we note a slight pullback in the stock market. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the market still stands significantly higher than its starting point for the year. Admittedly, it did breach the yellow zone briefly, but such fluctuations are inherent in the market. Occasionally, projections align, and sometimes they don't. This year has seen upward movement and setbacks, and the stochastic full, a reliable indicator, hinted at an impending pullback. As we scrutinize the chart, we observe that the moment the stock market hit its peak, a pullback commenced. Although we're presently at the bottom, further descent is possible. A retreat to the support level seems probable, followed by a rebound. The red line represents this anticipated pullback, a phase that may or may not materialize. We must remember that in the stock market, no one has all the answers. As for the VX, the volatility index, it now rests above 20. While this might be seen as an indicator of normalcy, anything exceeding 20 is already considered standard. Going below 20 indicates euphoria, while surging past 40 signifies heightened fear. In light of the geopolitical tensions that have gripped the world, these fluctuations in the VIX bear close watching. History tells us that we seldom emerge from a recession without witnessing a VX surge beyond 40. Intriguingly, a few months ago, someone placed a substantial bet on VIX call options with a striking price of 50. The outcome of this wager remains a mystery that will unravel with time, and it's something to keep on our radar. Additionally, the situation in the Middle East demands attention. Adam Aron, AMC's CEO, recently made an interesting revelation on social media. He announced that Taylor Swift's The Eras Tour, the first ever movie distributed by AMC, claimed the top spot at the box office over the weekend. Its weekend gross surpassed an astonishing $179 million. All the credit for this incredible achievement goes to the talented Taylor Swift. This impressive feat raises intriguing questions. Is this a Taylor Swift phenomenon, or will other superstars like Beyoncé enjoy similar success? We're also on the brink of AMC's earnings report, and it's expected to be a good one. However, this doesn't always translate to a pre-earnings rally. Sometimes, a stock's fortunes can take a different turn. A stock that has already surged in anticipation of strong earnings might experience a drop if the results merely meet or slightly miss expectations. The market's reaction to the outlook provided by the company is a significant variable in this equation. In the comments section of our previous video, a thought-provoking discussion emerged. We explored the idea of streaming giants like Netflix or Disney opting to distribute their content through AMC. This concept is enticing, however, contractual obligations with existing distribution partners might pose a roadblock. Streaming services often have partnerships that grant them content rights from studios, and disturbing these arrangements could risk the supply of content. While the idea has merit, the complexities of these partnerships and exclusive deals should not be underestimated. Consider, for instance, Netflix's practice of releasing an entire series at once for binge watching. Could this model be adapted for movie theaters? Perhaps miniseries could be screened in theaters, offering a unique and extended cinematic experience. With many viewers willing to sit through a 3.5-hour film, the possibilities are endless. Such innovations will depend on the creativity of AMC's CEO and their team. The week ahead holds many mysteries, including the Federal Reserve's deliberations and the release of crucial economic data that could sway market prices. Despite the somewhat disheartening late-day sell-off, it's essential to remain patient and focus on post-earnings developments. The stochastic full indicator remains robust in the case of AMC, and history shows that the stock often adheres to its signals. As we await earnings, the question of whether AMC can turn a profit in the face of massive blockbuster releases and ongoing actors' strikes looms large. The market's reaction to AMC's financial health will be a key element to watch. As we navigate the ever-changing financial landscape, we must stay vigilant and adaptable. The world of finance is nothing if not unpredictable, and the choices of industry leaders can send ripples across the market. The days ahead will undoubtedly bring further revelations and twists in this compelling narrative, so stay tuned for more updates. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.